Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to set Python path in Windows. So if you haven't already installed the Python, I'll show you guys how can you do it manually. So just first of all guys, you have to search for Python and right click on the latest version of Python you have installed. So the latest version I have installed it, the 3.13. So just right click on it and open the file location. And again you have to right click on it and open the file location. So this will open the installation file location guys of the Python. Just copy the path by clicking on it. Once you copy, now search for environmental variables on your Windows, and now guys you have to click on this environment variables, and now you have to just add it path in system variables. So here's a path. Click on it and click on edit and just add your path over here. Right click on, just click on new and paste your Python path over here. Python path with this version, and as you can see I have already added here, and you can add it, and you can also put slash after this, backward slash after this. And once you add it guys, yeah, this is how you can do it. And now in the user variable you have to open again. Let's open the, first of all select the path and I click on edit. Now as you can see that I have already added my Python path over here. So to add it guys, you have to just click on new and paste your Python path with backward slash. And also once you add this path, you have to add this script path as well. So you can do that, like you can add one more path with scripts, because this will, you have to just copy this. As you can see there is a script folder in this Python folder where the guys pip where the pip guys actually installed. So you have to use add this directory as well if you want to use pip on Python. So just copy the directory or the path location, the file location, and go back to here, and or you can add append the script after the Python version. So you can add it manually, or you can copy guys from here as well. So once you add it guys, make sure you also add slash after this, after the scripts. So yeah, once you're done with this, as you can see I have already added these two paths, so I can delete. But make sure guys you don't delete any other paths, because it may lead to other program may not work. So yeah, let's delete them because I have already added my paths over here. So yep, let me delete that. So now once you add your path, now if you want to confirm that your path has been added correctly or not, let's search for just open the CMD, and you can type Python, and you can see that you can see the detail of your path Python on your Windows, and you can exit, and you can also check the Python version by typing Python --version, and this is how you can also check your Python version as well. So yeah, hope you like it guys. Subscribe for more videos.